Yosef. We are from Group 1, want to present about the safety risk assessment and risk control design. This is our Group 1 members. Next slide, please.
So the first one is the stage 1. We will discuss about the risk hazard of the socket assembly in the laboratory. The first one is the hazard risk of the socket assembly. The first one is cutting the wires. The risk value and level is 4. The second one is roll cable skin. The risk value and level is 3. Next is use of incompatible components. The risk value and level is 8. Next is cutting the cable that produce dust. The risk value and level is 6. Next is falling bolts. The risk value and level is 2. Next is connecting wires to terminals. The risk value and level is 6. Next is tightening the bolts during the assembly of the electric socket. The risk value and level is 6. And next is testing the light bulb to the socket. The risk value and level is 25 or high.
Next, hazard identification. Sub-process not training for tasks or tools to be used. Likelihood is 2. Severity is 3. Risk value and level 6 or medium. Next, sub-process for wrong sitting position. Likelihood 5. Severity 2. Risk value and level high and 10. Next, sub-process doing monotonous work, likelihood 5, severity 1, risk value and level 5 or medium. Next, sub-process exposed to AC for too long, likelihood 5, severity 1, risk value and level 5 or medium. Next, sub-process other workers area, likelihood 2, severity 1, risk value and level 2 or low. Next, sub-process electric cable, likelihood 3, severity 1, risk value and level 3 or medium. Next, sub-process lighting levels too low, likelihood 2, severity 1, risk level too low. Next, sub-process poor and air quality, likelihood 1, severity 2, and risk value and level 2 or low.
Okay, now we go to the stage 2 is risk control for high risk. Next, the problem is use of incompatible components. For the hazard scenario is misplacing parts in the tool use, and then the consequence is fire and damage the equipment. And the current control is make sure the workers have more knowledge and know about assembly. And then the severity is 2, likelihood is 4, and then the risk level high. Next, for the substitution, the first one is replace the incompatible components with compatible ones that meet the socket specification. And then second, consider using standardized components across different socket assemblies to reduce compatibility issues. And then the elimination is redesign the socket to accept a wider range of compatible components. And then the isolation is design a spread storage area is for the incompatible components to minimize the change of accident selection. Next, for the administration action, train workers on component identification and proper assembly techniques. And then for the engineering controls is use key components that only fit together correctly. And then the second is integrate automate checks during assembly to identify and reject incompatible components. Next.
Okay, for the second one is the wrong sitting position. For the hazard scenario is back will behind, and the consequence is back pain. Current control give the proper chair to the workers, and then severity is 2, likelihood is 5.00, and risk level is high. Next. And as we have elimination, for the first one is using the unergonomic chair, and second one is using table workstation with the adjustable heights, and substitution. The first one is invest in ergonomic chair with adjustable lumbar support, armrest, and seat height, and the second one is ensure chair are properly adjusted to each worker individual needs, and then isolation. Explore using seat standards that allow worker to alternate between sitting and standing through the day to avoid from following static sitting. And the next one is engineering control, and the first one is adjust work surface to an appropriate height for comfortable elbow and wrist position, and the second one is provide for rest for worker who prefer them, and then engineering controls develop and provide training on proper sitting posture and workstation ergonomics, and the second one implement break or shift to encourage worker to stand up and move around regularly, and the PPA is providing lumbar support concessions as a temporary measure while implementing more effective control. Next.
Okay, so next is testing the light bulb to the socket. The hazard scenario is the light bulb might be explode, and the consequence, the worker's eyes might be blind and source, and the current control by handling bulbs gently to avoid damaging them, using hand gloves, use safety glasses, also the emergency kit. The severity is 5 and the light hold is 5, and the risk level is high. Next, please. Okay, for the first is elimination by implementing automate testing system that check the bulb functionality before or after the socket updates. Also consider using electrical continuity tester or specialist testing equipment. Second is the substitution by using low voltage bulb to minimize the shock hazard. And also consider pretesting bulb before assembly to ensure functionality. There is isolation by design a testing fixture that only allows the bulb to insert when the circuit is deorganized with the optimality disconnect power. Also consider a remote testing system where the workers activate the test from a safe distance and also minimizing the proximity to live components. Next, please. Next is engineering controls by designing a testing fixture that hold the bulb securely and also minimize the worker contact with live electrical components. Next is simulation action by develop and provide training on safe handling of electrical components and also the light bulbs, and also encourage the workers to report any damage or malfunction electrical components. And the last one is PPA by provide workers with properly and insulated gloves for handling the bulbs, and also answer the workers to your safety glasses to protect their eyes. Next.
Okay, the stage 3 design for risk control. Next, the function of the table that it can be adjusted to match the height of the worker, but also that the table has an adhesive for put box and then put the bolts so that they are not mixed up. It is the deliberately removable to match the habits of worker. Next. Okay, for the seat is ergonomically designed and comfortable for works, both in standing and sitting position. The chair is in its unusual state but can be made half standing, as shown to assist workers in their standing position. The arms and backrest can also be adjusted based on the worker height. Next.
The next stage is stage 4, which is the estimation of new risk after the risk control. The first one, fell backwards, which is because there were no locking wells that were supposed to keep it placed off the chair. Second, sore neck, because the chair cannot accommodate the worker's neck. The last one is hand ache, because the height of the table cannot be raised and lowered according to the worker height. Next slide, please. The stage 5 is conclusion. In conclusion, this project addressed safety risk assessment and control design within a collaborative environment by identifying potential hazards associated with tasks like cutting wires, using mismatched components, and handling light bulbs. The project established a framework for mitigating risks. Considering risk severity and establishing risk value level ensure a comprehensive approach to safety management. By implementing the new chair and table as the new design, we focus to minimize the high risk of use of incompatible components and wrong position. Make sure the workers to feel comfortable when they're sitting and standing, making a customizable ergonomics and safety environment to their position while working. We are truly sorry if there is a mistake or anything that not really good enough. That's all from us. Thank you.